Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today I'm taking you inside one of the most advanced automotive assembly lines in the world, Toyota's billion-dollar factory in the United States. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, let's talk about precision. Toyota's US factory is a technological marvel. Every single car is assembled with laser-guided precision. Robots and humans work side by side in perfect harmony. It's like watching a well-choreographed dance where every move is crucial. Ever wondered how Toyota ensures each car is built to perfection? Well, they use something called the Toyota Production System, or TPS. This system is all about efficiency and eliminating waste. Imagine a factory where every step, every tool, and even the placement of every screw is optimized. That's TPS in action. Now let's get to the cool stuff, automation. Robots are at the heart of Toyota's assembly line. These aren't your average robots though. We're talking about state-of-the-art machines that can weld, assemble, and even paint cars with mind-blowing accuracy. And the best part, they never get tired. But it's not just about the robots. Toyota believes in the power of human ingenuity. Skilled technicians oversee every part of the process, ensuring that the robots are doing their job right. It's this blend of human expertise and robotic precision that sets Toyota apart. Now let's talk about sustainability. Toyota's US factory is a leader in green manufacturing. They've implemented cutting-edge technologies to reduce energy consumption and minimize waste. Solar panels, energy-efficient lighting, and water recycling systems are just a few examples. It's all part of Toyota's commitment to building a better future. And here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that Toyota's US factory can produce over 500,000 cars a year? That's right, this factory is a powerhouse, churning out some of the most reliable cars on the market. From the iconic Camry to the rugged Tacoma, it's all happening right here. So what does all this mean for you, the car enthusiast? It means that when you get behind the wheel of a Toyota, you're driving a car built with unparalleled precision, cutting-edge technology, and a commitment to sustainability. It's not just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering. Next time you see a Toyota on the road, remember the billion-dollar secrets that went into making it. And if you ever get the chance to tour this incredible factory, take it. Trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you enjoyed this peek inside Toyota's US factory, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive adventures.